Tired of cleaning floors every day?
Meet the Dreame X40 Ultra, the smartest cleaning robot of 2025.
It vacuums. It cleans itself. With 7,000 paw suction, it eats dust like a beast. No corner is left untouched. The dual mop system scrubs stains and shines your floor. Even dried ketchup? Auto water refill and drainage. No hands needed. Literally, a set-and-forget machine. It maps your home in real time. After cleaning, it returns to its dock. Control it with your phone or your voice. Hey Dreame, clean the kitchen? Done.